The first day of Vlogmas! It's Vlogmas 2018. I cannot believe it. I think this is insane right now. But we are going to be doing the unboxings. This year I'm doing things a little bit differently, and I'm going to be doing just a video on unboxing each day of the advent calendar, so you will be getting one of those every day throughout December until Christmas Day, and that's what we're doing today. And it is day 1. So I have 8 calendars to open. Not all of them are in shop because there just isn't enough space for everything. But let's get into it, and the first one I'm going to go into is this one here, which I do think is very different. By the way, please subscribe to this channel if you are interested in seeing the rest of these unboxings. And if you hit the bell button, you will also get notified of them. So yeah, I saw this and I thought, how different is that? A little tea light for every day of Advent. So let's go into it and find day number 1. The thing that takes the longest when doing this is finding the days. I found day number 1. I'm going to use scissors to open it because we don't want to ruin these nails. Da, 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 da. I thought it was just a plain white one then. I was about to cry. But it's not. So this, I don't believe I know what this is called, and I don't know if it's going to tell us, but I can tell you that we get 3 scents. We've got mulled wine, winter wonderland and winter berries. So throughout this calendar there is only going to be 3 different scents, but we're going to get lots of them. And I think that that will be a winter wonderland. Yeah, definitely. A fresh seasonal pine fragrance that will create an authentic winter wonderland in your home. So, that is so cool. So that is, yeah, I'm pretty sure that that is the winter wonderland one. Yay! Moving on to the next one. What do we have? What do we have? I am seeing this one here. This is the Sleek Makeup Can't Wait Another Day. By the way, if you are wondering, this calendar here is the Body Shop calendar from last year. However, I have actually put I have made my own calendar this year, and I've just put things in there. You might have already, by the time this goes up. Oh no, actually not by the time this goes up. Definitely not by the time this goes up. Sometime video will be going live of me creating this. So yeah, just so you know, it's not the things that came last year. I have the Body Shop one for this year and I'm super excited about it. I think it's going to be better than the last one. I really do. So let's get into our sleek one. I have not had a sleek one before. This is first for the sleek one, and I've already found day number 1. Oh, it's a blush. It's a blush. I'm seeing a blush. Oh, I'm so excited to have a new blush. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, but cheers, everybody. Merry Christmas. It's like Christmas morning, having a nice glass of Bucks Fizz, although it's not Bucks Fizz. But yeah. Ugh, I can't even open the thing. Oh, because there's some tape on it, that's why. Okay. Try again. Nearly. So blooming close. Yay! Oh, have I got this one? It just says, oh, rose gold. It does look quite familiar. I might have this in like a set. Although no, I don't have any sleek blushes. I'm sure I don't. So this is rose gold, and it is pretty. Oh. This will be a nice little blush for like this time of year as well, throughout Christmas. It is like almost like a peachy, rosy pink, which I do prefer my peaches for like summertime, but I love it. I'm excited to try that out. So that's what we got in day number 1 of the Sleek calendar 2018. Moving on to the next one. I'm going to go into the one that I made myself because it's probably the one that I'm the least excited about, because I know like what's in here, if that makes any sense whatsoever, and I'm already seeing day number 1. I mean, I can't remember what's in what day at all. But yeah, let's go in and see what we have. Ooh! Okay, I'm excited about this one. I remember why I put this in day number 1 now. So this is the Baby Lips in, oh, where does it say it? Vanilla Cupcake. And it's kind of like a Christmassy a Christmassy kind of thing. So I'm not going to actually put it on because I have like already got red lipstick on. You might not have noticed, but I do. So it's fine. I'm going to pop it over here with the other things and then we will be trying it out with a more sniff of that candle. Excited. So that was day number 1 of the Body Shop. Now I'm going to move on to this one here. This is another first for me. I've never had this calendar before, and this is the Soap and Glory calendar. Oh, I've already seen number 1. Oh my god, I'm doing so well today. Yay. So I'm getting straight in here, you guys, because I don't want these videos to be super long. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Does it say anything on it? It says, have the lime of your life. So, what do we have? So I'm guessing like some of these things are just going to be more like sample things, and then the others will hopefully be like better things, if that makes sense. This is a Sugar Crush Fresh and Foamy Body Wash. So it's basically just a sample, basically, of a body wash. There is 8 ml in here, and yeah, so that's what we got for that. I'm not going to open it because obviously as soon as I open it, I pretty much need to use it. I'm going to just pop that over there. And, so next up, let's go into this one here. This one is, oh, this is an interesting one. So this is the Elle calendar. Again, another first for me. I'm not sure how many people even know about this calendar. I think that this might be the first year that they've done this calendar. So Elle magazine have brought out a calendar, and this is it. And let's get into it. I've already found number 1 of this too. I am so good. Oh my god, I'm already seeing a NARS product right here. And I think one of the other products has just slipped down. But, oh, we have a NARS blush. So I got 2 blushes today. Who'd have thunk that, huh? So, I've not got any NARS. Do I have any NARS products at all? Probably not. I mean, it's only really tiny, but to be honest, for a blush, it doesn't need to be huge. Oh my god, it looks exactly the same as the other one. This is Orgasm. This is so interesting. Okay, I'm interested about this now. Seriously, you guys, do we have a dupe? Is this like a thing where everybody already knows that Rose Gold by Sleek is a dupe for Orgasm? I don't know, but I mean, they're not exact, and they actually look less similar on camera. But they've just kind of got the same shift to them, I think. They're not the same. I'm getting like the same vibes. Now that is only really small, but as a blush, like you would get so many uses out of this, I'm telling you. Obviously like the Sleek one is quite a fair bit bigger. Like what are we saying for the sizes? Yeah, so pretty much double the size. This is 3.5 and this is 6. So, oh, 2 blushes. I'm excited to try the NARS just because I don't think I've tried any NARS products, or at least nothing that I can remember that's like stuck out in my head, so yay! So, moving on to the next one. What have we got left, you guys? Okay, so I wish I knew what was in each one so I knew which one to do for the last, but you know. I'm going to go over here to the Glossybox one. I think this. Okay, if I had to choose my favourite packaging, I would go with Glossybox because it's so pretty and it's like so me, like the rose gold, although I do really like this one as well. I'm just so excited, you guys. It's Christmas! Well, it's not Christmas, but you know what I'm saying. So number 1, she's right here. This is actually like, oh, so easy this year. Mind you, like, probably not tomorrow, like probably just for today. But let's get into number 1. Ooh, what's in here? What's in? It's another NARS product. What the hell? Oh my god, it's a NARS freaking lip. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Immortal Velvet Lip Glide. Oh my god. So again, I'm excited. It's NARS. I'm going to try it on, but I'm not going to. Although, no. So, okay, I'm excited about that, you guys. Another NARS product. Something that I'm really liking about NARS is the feel of, is this like a thing, does anyone else feel this way about NARS products? It's got like that soft feel to it. I know that's really weird that I'm noticing that, but yeah, love it. So that's really exciting. So so far I'm really happy with what I've received in my calendars. Let's move on. Okay, so what can you guys see? Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Body Shop one because it's just right here, right now, right here. Oh, I found number 1 straight away again. So, Body Shop, what are we saying? Body Shop last year did say some things on the boxes, so I'm going to read them out again. That's in a different language. Create adventure, plan a wild trip with your best friend. Oh my god, like, I wish. I wish, you guys. So, today I'm seeing vanilla and marshmallow shower gel. The sound of that sounds like it's gonna smell. I was gonna say the sound of that smells so good, but it sounds like it's gonna smell so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, if there's some kind of cream of this in here, I will be so happy. I love that. So we got quite a few of these last year. I think there was like 3 or 4. I think I'm still going through them because I always end up getting loads of different body stuff. But love it. Love the smell. I really wanted these videos to be like 10 minutes and they're not going to be, but it's fine. In fact, I've only got 1 more left to do. I'm not doing too bad. And it's a palette. How good is that for like the first one? HD brows. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no. It's like totally broken, you guys. Do you know what? I was worried about this, and I'm not blaming Look Fantastic for this. I'm blaming Royal Mail. They didn't deliver it, so they took it back to the place, and then I was like, I don't have a good feeling about when I'm going to get this, that it's going to be in like decent order, but you know. What is this though? Like what actual, if I tip... Oh, they're totally broken, you guys. Like, they're not totally broken. I'm going to have to just re-glue them back on. I already have a product that I know will work for this, and it's called Chiara Sky Dip Base. You can get it from nailtechnetwork.co.uk, and it is freaking amazing. And that will pretty much stick these back on, and that's what I'm going to be using. Would help if you didn't stick your nails in the pans. But I will show you as well as I can show you without them falling out. That is what it looks like. Each pan is in perfect order. Like, I can use this perfectly. I can clean this up perfectly. It'll be absolutely fine. A little bit disappointed though, but I kind of was worried about this just because Royal Mail are idiots. No offense or anything. But I'm excited. So this is Contour and Colour Pro Palette. I think this is very pale. Like, I'm pale, so it's perfect, but I guess like people who have darker skin might... I mean, there is to be fair, that is a pretty dark contour right there. I guess it's probably like really quite universal actually. I'm excited. I'm not too sure what I would use these 2 top shades here for, just because they're like matte. And like, I wouldn't use a matte highlight ever. Like, I'm just like that. But yeah, I'm excited. Such a good product. So that's everything, right? Have I opened everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I have opened everything for day 1 of Vlogmas 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to try and keep them around about 10 minutes long, like 15 minutes at the longest, hopefully. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed these items that I got. And if you guys have anything you want to say, leave me comments down below. If anyone else has also like got any of these calendars, or if you've got another calendar that you recommend. I didn't bother going for the Marks & Spencer one this year just because I've had it 2 years in a row and it is quite... a little bit samey, and I just ended up with too many products that I'm not going to use. Everything here I know that I'm going to use as well, which is really good. So hopefully it will continue that way. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 2 of the unboxing of the advent calendars. Bye guys! Mwah!